Good evening and welcome to our kitchen. This is Savannah, this is Gabe, and this is Olivia. Everybody say hi.
Hi!
Tonight we're going to demonstrate how to make one of our favorite recipes, a Christmas wreath. So here we go. Savannah is going to start by mixing about a cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard.
Got your little spoon to get that in there.
Or we can just dump it. There we go. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We've got about a tablespoon of parsley. And a couple of tablespoons of bacon bits. Real bacon is always better, but sometimes you can't do real bacon. So she's going to mix all that stuff together while Gabe is going to work. One of the things that makes this recipe really easy is you can use canned chicken. And this is about, 11 or 12 ounces by the time you dump all the water out of it. Gabe is going to start chopping this up or flaking it to make it small pieces. So Savannah has got this in pretty good shape. So all we end up with is a little bit of a yellow mayonnaise color. And you can also check out our cool measuring cups here. These are silicone measuring cups. Very easy to use, easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Very handy, easy to store. And
when you pour stuff in, it squeezes.
Yes, you can squeeze the stuff back out. So here's see what you got here, Joe. So you want to get the chicken chopped up really fine. That way all the liquids get around it better. There we go. So now we'll just mix. Got a little bit more. Some of this you want to keep back to dip it in when you're done. So about half and half is pretty good. So now Gabe can stir all that together. And after he stirs it for a few minutes, we add in about a cup of Swiss cheese.
Some muscle in it, Gabe.
Tell these things are Pampered Chef, and the batter bowl is one of the most handy pieces of kitchen equipment. So everybody needs a good batter bowl. And after he gets it mixed in pretty good, we're going to dump in that cup of cheese.
And the bacon bits.
And the bacon bits are already in that stuff. Alright, let's see what you got. So now we have a great mixture that looks like that. And all we have to do now is put it around our little ring. So this is a really cool Christmas dish because it looks like a wreath. Garnish it up with a pepper in a second that will really make it look like Christmas. So you do your best to make this stuff go all the way around. And here we go. So now once you've got all of that around it, you just take, go ahead, Savannah and Olivia, and put these around Benjamin has decided to come and help as well. So And by the way, these are just regular crescent rolls that we have on the bottom. And they work really well. And this is what you have to start with. You put this in a 375-degree oven. And these are the Pampered Chef stones, which if you don't have one, everybody needs one. They're the greatest things to cook on.
And they have this new coating, Savannah.
They have a cool, pretty coating.
And you can hold on to it better. The nice handles.
And this is what the finished product will look like.
And you can garnish that with lettuce. Make it even a little more healthy, but
So there you have it. This is a very easy recipe. We've been doing it since we've been married, which has been a long time, 15 or 16 years ago now. And as you can see, even the kids can get in on the action and do this recipe. And all of this stuff is available from Pampered Chef. So be sure and check us out.
finish up your Christmas shopping.
All right, everybody have a good night.
Say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Good night.